MotorWeek is made possible by Auto Value and Bumper to Bumper and TireRack.com.
Although Mitsubishi has enjoyed reasonable success in the U.S. market in the last few years, its flagship model, the Diamante, has lagged in popularity. While a competent near-luxury sedan, the Diamante failed to win many converts from BMW, Lexus, or even Acura. Well, Mitsubishi is fighting back with a new Diamante. It features a more European look, a new engine and transmission, and a lower price. Can they together add some luster to this overlooked diamond? They should if potential buyers of near-luxury sedans closely look over Mitsubishi's 1997 Diamante in either base ES trim due early in '97 or our upscale LS test car available now. Although it still rides on a 107.1-inch wheelbase, the Australian-built Diamante grows longer and taller, giving an additional 7 cubic feet of interior room. By moving the base of the windshield forward 3 inches, raising the height of the trunk lid, and giving the car an arch shape, the coefficient of drag drops to a very low 0.28. And after seeing very bland styling on some of its competitors, the new Diamante's crisper, more European look is welcomed. And no one can call these taillights conservative. Beyond its good looks, this second-generation Diamante makes extensive use of aluminum in its structural components, which reduces overall weight by 243 pounds while increasing structural rigidity 13%. Also increased is power. Both ES and LS grade cars get this new single overhead cam 3.5-liter 24-valve V6. It's a bored and stroked version of Diamante's previous 3-liter unit, and produces a very healthy 210 horsepower and 231 pound-feet of torque. That's significantly more than last year, with most of the extra torque coming at the low end where U.S. drivers demand it. And we made good use of it during our acceleration runs, where 0 to 60 sped by in 7.8 seconds. Impressive for a 3,400-pound sedan. Sustained mid to upper range power helped us through the quarter mile in 15.9 seconds with a trap speed of 90 miles per hour. Sol Diamante transmission is a 4-speed automatic with sophisticated computer controls. They adjust shift points in response to individual driving styles and how one handles changing road conditions. Our slalom exercises prove the Diamante is tuned more for luxury than sport. The 4-wheel independent suspension with struts up front and a multi-link setup at the rear seemed willing, as did the quick, well-weighted steering. But the soft springs and 16-inch 60 series tires weren't quite up to the task. Our high-speed lane change was accomplished without incident, but body roll was plentiful, as was nosedive during our repeated stops from 60. Our LS test car had the optional anti-lock system, which made sure those stops were straight, although our average distance was a routine 129 feet. We're more disappointed that ABS isn't standard. Numbers we're happier with are 65 decibels, a very low sound measurement, plus 18 city and 26 highway. The Diamante's increased fuel economy ratings. Our mixed test loop returned 24 miles per gallon of premium gas. Premium also describes the Diamante's interior fabrics. Leather seats and wood grain trim are standard on the LS. Our car's optional luxury group package includes these Lexus-like high-intensity analog gauges and this comprehensive and easy-to-read trip computer, whose readouts are activated by this dash-mounted control. And though the climate control's large switchgear makes it easy to use, its 3000 GT-like pictograph can be confusing. All LS-grade Diamantes enjoy a 6-speaker audio system with both in-dash cassette and CD. Our test car had the optional premium system with 8 speakers, 210 watts of power, and this trunk-mounted 10-disc CD changer. The leather bucket seats were excellent. Their overall shape provided fine support and comfort. 7-way power adjustments are standard. The rear bench seat is large with good leg room and has 3-point seat belts at each position. Plus, an integrated child safety seat is available even with leather trim. The trunk provides a fine 14.2 cubic feet of very usable cargo space and a moderate liftover height. And moderate describes the Diamante's base price. Expect the ES to start around $27,500. The LS begins at $30,460. Our fully loaded LS test car rose to $36,231. That puts the Diamante right in the ballpark with the Lexus ES300, Cadillac Catera, and Acura TL. Our list of Diamante hits begins with its smooth powertrain, the muscular V6 engine, and sophisticated automatic transmission. Fuel economy is quite good for this class, and its styling is refreshingly different. We were impressed with seat comfort and support, plus the available integrated child safety seat. As for Mrs., ABS should be standard on a near luxury car. There's a confusing climate control display and too much body roll during extreme maneuvers. But overall, we found the new Mitsubishi Diamante to be a lot of car for the money and a gem not to be overlooked by near luxury sedan buyers.
The MotorWeek app, which includes our latest reviews and feature stories, is now available for mobile devices.